Red Center is a regional dispatch center that handles 14 fire departments in 2 counties, and so it's a large geographical area. So as we started looking at it, we realized we put together the plan, and the plan was multi-millions of dollars. So we started going down the path of let's evolve your equipment. They were running Gold Elite consoles. Most of their system is legacy. It's the MTR 2000 VHF voting systems with Spectratech. I mean, it's pretty bare bones, but it's still a good system and it works for them today. So the P25 system was the Astro system, Motorola's. They were seriously looking at a master site with multiple sites, and what we came down to was the K2 Core MCC 7500 as the first implementation to this plan. Because the funding wasn't there to do the whole thing, we thought, well, let's take them down the road and migrate the council to the new path. Well, from that sale, there was 2 additional sales in the area similar to that, both K-Cores, both standalone opportunities. The beginning of this year, we had a sit down with Motorola's direct team, and one of the initiatives was, hey, let's kind of replicate that model. So it was more of a share the vision to the other PSAPs of this is what you can have. Because it is such an expensive application, you kind of have to lay the groundwork to them and explain to them, here, we can start you here and we can build you up as you go along. So we started putting together a Gold Elite replacement customer list, and we've done a ton of these through the years. So we probably had about 138 Gold Elites that we had to replace. So working with that list, working with the direct team put together a proposal, kind of a boilerplate proposal, which allowed for a 4-position or a 2-position K-Core MCC 7500. I see a lot of these systems as a foundation, a base groundwork to build and to go after possible grant funding. So put the idea in the customer's head. He gets a price in his head. He's got a plan on paper that he can take that now for the next year or the next year and at least go after some money. If there's grant money, if in the Chicago area there were PSIC grants that were available that were obtained by a lot of departments. But without that plan in place, what were you going to do? You can't hurry up and scramble. So by having this bundled package was really a good program. So take the Red Centers of the world. It's a great customer. They've got huge infrastructure all over 2 counties. Our next step will be to migrate their infrastructure platform into a digital platform. And that's kind of how we want to do that. And we have a lot of these departments that have that type of equipment that we think we can take them to the next level. A lot of the customers don't have the vision to know, I can go to this next level. And I think it's our job to help tell them and educate them and tell the story of, hey, here's where you can go. Here's the benefits of what you can do.